Hello again. In today's video, join us as we start packing for our upcoming trip to Ireland. We'll give you our top 7 things to consider when packing for your next trip.
And as we pick out what to take, you'll get some hints about where we're going and what we're doing in our upcoming trip, including a sneak peek at our upcoming content for the next 6 months.
And you don't want to miss the end of our video because we have an invitation for you to meet up with us while we're in Ireland in September of 2024.
So without further ado, number 1, know how much you can take and consider your modes of transportation. Check the luggage allowances in your airline website, including size and weight. Measure and weigh your packed bag, including your checked bag, your carry-on bag, and your personal item. Look for extras that are allowed, like duty-free shopping bags and neck pillows.
Travel as light as reasonably possible. We got stuck with a lot of luggage going to Paris and we had to drag them over cobblestones and upstairs in the metro stations. Are you renting a car? Are you taking a group bus tour? Depending on your mode of transport, you may only need to take a backpack. Public transit on trains, buses, and ferries, or on a group tour, will they limit what you can take?
Because we're renting a car instead of taking public transit, we're going to bring one checked bag between the two of us and each bring a carry-on and a personal item. Be sure you put your name and contact information inside each bag. And consider a tracking device like an AirTag in all your bags. Airlines have had a tendency lately to make you check your carry-on at the door if the overhead baggage is already full.
Overhead baggage.
Overhead baggage. But be sure that all your essential items, like an overnight outfit, any medications, and your grooming items are in your personal item in case that bag gets checked or it doesn't make it to your destination.
Number 2, consider the weather, the number of days you'll be gone, and the activities you have planned. Check the typical weather in your destination or your different destinations for the time period you'll be there and keep checking up on it until the day before you leave. For us, Ireland in September typically averages in the high 40s for the low and in the high 50s for the high, and those are in Fahrenheit, subject to change of course, with a good chance of showers almost every day. We'll be along the coast, so we expect wind. This means rain gear, water-resistant footwear, warm layers, and a hat, scarf, and gloves also need to go in.
How many days will you be there? You don't need a separate outfit for every single day. Take clothes for half of the number of days or less, and plan to do laundry somewhere at the midpoint of your trip. Now, we'll be in Cork for 2 nights at the midpoint of our trip, and we've already scoped out a laundromat or launderette where we can either do our own laundry or do drop-off laundry and pick it up the next day. Go through the day's planned activities and figure out what it is you'll need for that. Are you having a fancy dinner out somewhere or going to the theater? Are you playing golf?
No.
No?
Not this
Or
time.
swimming? Are you going sightseeing in the cities? Are you hiking or going on a boat trip? Use this list of activities as a guide to what you need to bring.
And always remember the quote from David Byrne: if you wear the same outfit every day, people will remember you. Karen will be taking a boat to Skellig Michael. So yes, I won't go.
I'm so excited.
So she's packing rain gear and sturdy waterproof trail shoes. And good walking shoes are also in order for both of us since we walk 8 to 10 miles a day when we're sightseeing. We usually do at least one nice dinner out, so that means nice trousers and a button-down shirt, maybe a sweater for me, and maybe a dress and tights for Karen. Plus, nice casual clothes for evenings in the pub, meeting up with local viewers.
More about that later. Number 3, use a capsule wardrobe and limit footwear. A capsule wardrobe is a collection of basic pieces in coordinated colors so that all the tops go with all the bottoms.
Kind of sounds like Garanimals for grown-ups.
Garanimals, I remember those. We put the kids in those.
It's been a while.
It has. They still make them though. Walmart sells Garanimals. There are 3x3 plus wardrobes, 3 tops, 3 bottoms, 3 layering pieces, plus the outfit that you wear on the plane. And there's a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I won't go into that, but I'll link down below if you want to see some videos from other YouTubers on that. Basically what they amount to is that you take limited pieces, but you can mix and match them together to make more than 20 outfits.
Wow.
I'm a big fan of Leanne Blackman's classy yet trendy Capsule Wardrobe ebooks. I especially like the French minimalist one. I'll put a link down below.
Shoes and boots will be the bulkiest pieces you pack. Only choose 2 or 3 pair and choose wisely.
Number 4, make the most of the space you have available. Consider packing cubes, which have 2 advantages. 1, compression, so you get more bang for your buck in space, and 2, organization. Now, whether you're in the fold camp or the roll camp, they're incredibly helpful. These long, skinny packing cubes fit between the extension handle on a roller bag, which gives you more room.
Try to use bits of space, like inside your shoes, for socks, maybe underwear, something small you can roll up and stuff in there. But wear your bulkiest or heaviest things on the plane if you're tight on space or weight in your carry-on bag.
Look at me! I'm Chandler. Could I be wearing any more clothes?
This fillable neck pillow passes as an extra, yet it can store an extra outfit or a week's worth of socks, underwear, and more. If you are interested in seeing more about these products, they're listed in our links below.
Number 5, know the rules about liquids and medications. Don't forget to pack carry-on liquids separately in a 1-quart bag, 3.4 ounces per bottle, the 3-1-1 rule. Also, medications should be packed in a separate bag with the prescription label on them, the original. If you buy meds in bulk and you need a smaller bottle, ask the pharmacy. They'll make you a smaller bottle with your prescription on it. Now, liquid medications such as cough syrups or medically necessary liquids like contact lens solution don't count toward your liquid requirement. You can put those in the bag with your meds and they don't count for the 3-1-1 rule.
Number 6, keep electronics together in a small padded bag. Don't forget chargers, electrical converters, power banks, earphones, your tablet, your laptop, etc.
All the chargers and connections for those. Number 7, don't forget hard copies of all your travel documents. This includes reservations, itineraries, ticket, vaccination card, your global entry pass, and your passport, your driver's license, your credit cards and debit cards, and cash in both your local currency at home for the airport and in the currency for the area you'll be visiting. Also, don't forget to take your maps and travel guides. And if you want reading material, either take hard copies or download your books to your Kindle, your laptop, iPad, or your phone.
Or a big catalog of your favorite music that you can listen to.
That too.
So how do you pack for a big trip? What have we missed? Let us know in the comments below.
We're looking so forward to being back in Ireland, and we'd love to meet up with some of you for a pint or a cuppa. Next week we'll be posting in the community post of our channel where we'll be and what time so that you can meet up with us. Now, if you're interested, you need to be sure and email us at the channel email address, which we'll post in the community post. That's how you'll get the details about where we're going to be.
And if you've subscribed, all you need to do is hit the notification bell. You should get a notice when we post the details.
In the meantime, enjoy this video on little known sites in Ireland, or this one, how we planned our first trip to Ireland.
As always, thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon, or some of you soon, in Ireland.
Thanks so much.
Bye.